ಇರುವ ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸದಿಂದಲೇ ಅದು ಮೊದಲನೆಯ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಗಳಿಸಿತು.
Happy morning to everyone. I'm ADITI HULMANI and today I shall be speaking about the topic our school assembly. To many people, a school assembly looks like this. The children of a school come together, they say some prayers and go back indoors. But beneath this, many things take place. In our school assembly, the students have to lead everything from sharing pieces of information on stage to singing prayers. This leads to a great start for the day. Every day, one student each is selected to read out the current affairs, to share the thought for the day, and to present the theme talk. When this is done, students subsequently take it upon themselves to absorb the information. This makes them more independent and more responsible. Every Friday, a class is selected to present a skit on the selected theme for the month. When this is done regularly, many shy students overcome their stage fright. This helps in the shaping of a shy child into an individual who can easily express their thoughts and views in front of an audience. The discipline practiced in the assembly helps in shaping a child majorly. And that is why I would like to call our school assembly very special and unique. Thank you.